Welcome to another Form Titan DocuSign video. In this video I will show you how to define mask placeholder character in Titan DocuSign. So let's go ahead and insert ourselves a document and I will show you how it works. Alright, so there's my document and I've got a couple of things there, first name, last name, and then I'm just going to get some text fields here. Let's just copy and paste them directly just to shorten the time. Paste that here, one more here, one more here, and then the last one over here. Okay, what I'd like you to focus on is the mobile and the donated amount fields. For example, if I want users just to enter numbers and not alphanumeric characters, just numeric characters, what you would do is you would use something called use mask. And here's how you would define it. You would say, let's say NN, and then NNN, something like that, okay? So if I save this, let's go make sure I've got this into public access like this. So if I now publish this quickly, now here a user can come in here and then enter, the details, the phone number. It works great, not a problem. But sometimes a user can get confused in terms of what data type to enter in here. Therefore, it's important to sort of give them some sort of indication, and that's where we've got this functionality called characters, mask characters. So you can click on this video here, and then you've got this placeholder char, which is placeholder character. And what you can do is, for numbers, I can just say like this. Now, look what happens when I refresh this. So look, now they know that, okay, it's the hashtag means I can only enter numbers in there. Now they can enter numbers, right? So very easily done. So let's say we do the same here. In donated amount, we go use mask, and we use NN, and now I want to do AA, okay? Which means I can enter numbers plus, basically it means I can enter alphanumeric characters in here. So I can do, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I can't add numbers, but I can add characters, alphabetic characters, okay? Now for this, if you were to do the same thing where you enter a char and you just do like this, and you try and do it, it will, again, give you the hashtag, but that doesn't really make any sense, because now, as a user, I'm thinking I want to go to enter numbers here until I get here, knowing that I can't enter more numbers, it will only accept alphabetical characters. So this can be really confusing for the end user. So you can only use one placeholder character in here. So if you think this is an issue, then I recommend you don't use this. Instead, you use what's called a label, okay? And in label, you can say, let me drag that over again. In label, you can say anything that you want. You can say, please enter alphanumeric characters, or chars, for example. And then what you can do is you can just place that underneath it, like this. And then here on, what the end user will see is like this. Please enter alphanumeric characters, okay? So now I know I can enter alphanumeric characters. I'll be able to do that. So that's how you do it. That's the functionality here, which is called a placeholder chars. One of the other things you need to be aware of is the placeholder text itself. Now, right now it says enter text, but if you go to the validation and add a mask, you will no longer see the enter text placeholder. So you must choose one or the other. You can't have both in there. But just to reiterate this functionality where you can enter chars, it's quite easy. You just choose something like this, which only accepts numbers. Then you can choose hashtag here, which means they can only accept numeric characters. And once you go on there, you will see it will look like this. Now I know, I'll go in there and start to enter my numbers in there. And that's what placeholder char means. And that's how you do it.